Now today we're installing an O2 sensor for my 2014 Chevy Volt. I got a p0131, which is bank 1, sensor 1, low voltage, and this should take care of it. Now what it's seeing when it's at an idle, that it cannot pick up the voltage on this O2 sensor, so today we're going to replace it. First thing we're going to do is get underneath this clip right here, take a pick, screwdriver, something like that, and you're going to pick that up. See how it come up? Once it's up, it wants to come apart, so all we got to do is pull it apart. Another easy step. Now our next phase is upstairs. We're going to pull the sensor out.
What happens then? Suppose they use the old...
I want to thank you for watching.